Hello, folks. Once again, today I just wanted to share with you about the threats of the Okavango Delta, a prestigious wetland in the heart of Botswana. I read a few articles from the newspapers, and it is a concern, so I just thought about sharing it with you. The first threat will be global warming or climate change. We've realized that over the decades, we're now receiving less rainfall in our catchment area, and that's up in the Angolan highlands. So that means we're now having less amount of water, which is being channeled down and filling the delta here. Sometimes you'll find that the water will just fill up the panhandle area all the way down to the midsection of the delta and not reaching the southern tip or the lower reaches. So that on its own, it is a concern. Another one will be that there's been some recorded cases of some companies now digging trenches so that the water, when it comes, it drifts past their lodge for their own advantage. So it's bad because it affects the whole hydrological system of the Okavango. A very much concern. Another one threat will be that the Okavango Delta lies in the Okavango Basin, which has been tectonically unstable for generations. So we sometimes record some earth tremors, some of which we cannot even feel because we are sitting on the Kalahari sands, the largest stretch of unbroken sand in the world. So that sand, which is like hundreds of meters deep, it absorbs all the waves, and that's why we cannot feel it. But for the water, it tells you when there's a change in gradient in the topography. So we've realized some channels filling up late, or some even dying. In the 1960s, the Tauhe channels were filling up much more and around the Boro region here, the Boro River. But today it's more eastern side that dominates, which now has a lot of water. So part of that is affected by the tectonic movements beneath us. And then another threat will be poaching. Poaching has been a major concern for generations. Illegal hunting, poaching for rhinos and elephants. These are animals that beautify or decorate this environment.